Hello, teacher. Hello, everyone. My name is Jordi Guzman. Here is my ID. Is a New York State driver license. Today, I'm going to talk about the summarizing strategies, summarizing methods. Uh, First of all, I have to tell that I'm gonna try to make this the more simple as possible because of the time. I have just 4 to 5 minutes to explain three methods. Okay. In the first one, I have the SAAC method. It is an acronym about the ES. Sorry, the ES means state that it basically means the name of the source, the title of the source. The A is means a sign. Once we have the name of the we have to find the author's names. It means the author names. Okay, the action is that. We have to recognize the action that is taking the author in this in his paragraph. What he's doing, he's making a description, he's making recommendations, if he's stating, he's arguing, etc. And the C, it means the complete is is basically our job when we done the summarizing in a sense. Okay, the benefits of this use is that it's clear and concise, easy to remember. It focuses just on the key points and is consistent. It means that it helps us to avoid any unnecessary details and just focus on the most important parts of the paragraph. In this slide, you can see that I shared a paragraph and I made the process to make the summarizing uses the SAAC method. I found the topic, I found the name of the author, what is doing the author, and finally I'm showing how I did my final job, my summarizing when at the end. The second method is the 5W's1H method. It means six questions, six key questions: what, when, where, who, why, and how. This question we have to make to identify the main problems, the most important parts of the paragraph that we have to focus on. Okay, this method is effective because it is comprehensive, is well structured, is versatile and simple. Because the questions that we're gonna make are easy to remember and apply, making it accessible to everyone. My screen shows that I took another paragraph in which I made the sixth question: who is the actor? What is doing the author? When the date that the author made this paragraph, where sometimes is irrelevant. Why is doing the author this? Why the author is arguing this? And how is the methods that the author is doing, or etc. And finally, at the bottom of the slide, I'm showing my final summary, explaining in other words, in a summarized way, in a simple way, what the author tried to say. And finally, I researched on internet and other resources about the SWBST method. Is an acronym for somebody wanted but so dang. It means that is the meaning. Okay, somebody who is the main character wanted what does the main character want, but what is the problem? So how does the character try to solve the problem, and then how the story ends. This method is used because it guides us to analyze just the main character desires, obstacles, and how do the character complete the story or finally the story. Okay, this method is popular in language literature classes to enhance summarizing and story structure analysis skills. For a better comprehension of this method, I took one news of the CNN about Ecuador that is going through these last weeks about the criminal groups that trying to reach the control of the country. So I tried to recognize the five acronyms of in this paragraph. So the main character is the president of Oa, is trying to regain the control of the nation, but the criminals are spreading violence and trying to control the country. So the president Noboa has declared internal armed conflict to neutralize these criminal groups, and this story ends with police arresting all the criminals that was bursting into the TC television live broadcast. So, and finally, my summary is showing. I took all this information that I record that I grouped and make just one paragraph explaining in a simple way. Okay. And finally, I'm showing my references. You can see, and I think is everything. Thank you for your attention and have a good day.